Pets with healthy tummies are happy, healthy pets. Precision Microbes is a natural pet probiotic, which is fast-acting with our unique liquid postbiotics. Precision Microbes can be used as a fast-acting gut stabilizer to settle that upset tummy, or our liquid solution can be given daily in feed to help promote and maintain a healthy gut every day. Our formulas contain billions of live active cultures and their metabolites or postbiotics. We provide both cats and dogs with a way to maintain a healthy gut microbiome and immune system. Our liquid solution can be given daily in your pet's food to help promote and maintain a healthy digestive system. We are happy to introduce Precision Microbes, a probiotic that's a game changer in pet health. Talk to your vet today about Precision Microbes. Healthy tummies mean happy, healthy pets.